So, Ronnie, there's another question that I have a viewer who is currently on an F1 visa on initial OPT and in the process of applying for STEM OPT. And their question is that they want to know if it's possible for their employer to file for a green card while they are still on an F1 without transitioning to H1B. So, what complications, if any, could arise in this scenario?
Sure. In regards to an individual who's on an F1 student visa and whether an employer, whether they can be sponsored for a green card, it is absolutely feasible. However, the F1 is a temporary visa which does not permit dual intent. Dual intent means that that visa would permit one to obtain a green card. Now, that means that the H1B, for instance, an H1B visa does permit dual intent. So if you travel on the H1 or the L1 visa in and out of the country, you are permitted to have a green card pending and you won't have trouble traveling. So while the F1 doesn't permit really dual intent, the issue is you could sponsor the individual for a green card, but then that person cannot be traveling at a certain point of the stages. There are three stages to the green card: the PERM process, the I-140, which is the immigrant petition, and finally the adjustment of status. So at least by the second stage of the green card process, the F1 work visa, the F1 student visa holder should not travel until receiving the green card. So there are certain countries that it's a problem with because they have such large backlogs. So this is something to keep in mind. But it's doable, but it's also advisable not to travel until you receive your green card.